Hello guys, Merry Christmas! Bibili kami ng food for our Noche Buena. Well, hindi naman din grande. Yung tama lang kasi because we still have to prepare for baby's dedication on Sunday. So hindi kami sumama sa loob kasi nagugutom si baby, so kailangan ko siyang i-feed. So you know what I mean, guys. So dito na lang muna kami, diba anak? Hintay muna, hintay kasi para mabilis ba. So baby, are you okay, anak? So after this guys, punta kami sa The Warehouse. So yun nga, after this diretso na kami sa toys department.
But I didn't see Santa. That if you put it in water in this jar, it will stop.
Hello!
I'll teach you how to say yes.
Tara! Last minute shopping guys! How about si Baba? What do you want?